Today, we are launching our new mini skid MG35. This sliding body is larger. It improves job stability and further increased load-bearing capacity. The machine has a compact size and can easily enter confined spaces for operation. Multiple sets of load-bearing iron wheels are installed inside the tracks. It is more stable with a closer contact with the ground, resulting in less bumps and a lower risk of tilting. The widened control panel provides a more comfortable working space for the operator. The machine is equipped with hooks on all four sides for easy hoisting and transportation. The left side of the slide is hydraulic oil. Slide to the right for gasoline ebb. The engine is powerful, equipped with a high-efficiency hydraulic pump and control valve assembly. Improve work efficiency. We accept custom-to-pump and 3-pump skid mounts. Affordable price and high-cost performance.